So, girl, look, I'm hooking you up.
Look, I'm hooking you up. That's why you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you know.
I've always got the plug, okay?
Shout out to you guys for checking out my video. Leave me a heart emoji if you are here checking out this video. Also, let me know what part of the world you're watching this from. Are you guys over Corona? I am so over Corona. Alright, so today, like I stated, we are going to be doing a video on a subscription service. Yes. When I tell you this is like the beauty supply store to your doorstep, yes, girl. The beauty supply store to your doorstep, okay? I'm talking about HairLeague. Yes, HairLeague. So we are going to be getting to what HairLeague is. HairLeague basically is a monthly subscription service where they actually send you out one wig of your choice and quite a few beauty items. They send you makeup. I got some hair care items in here. Also, I got a couple of beauty items. I am missing some of them. I don't know where they are, but they sent me like quite a few more beauty items. I say I'm probably missing like 3 more things. Probably just, yeah, about 3 more things. They sent me some wig caps and everything like that, all for $55 a month. So during this quarantine, this is a perfect time to get a subscription service like this. If you think the wig alone kind of pays for the box itself. HairLeague is black owned and they do ship in the US. So if you guys do want to take advantage of this subscription service, all that information will be in the description box. I am not sponsored. I just wanted to go ahead and do a video on this because I definitely respect this company. I've seen them reach out to a couple influencers I actually like. And I just want to support them because I think this is a good niche. Think about it. You paying $55, you're going to spend more at the beauty supply store anyway if you were to get just a week alone. So, girl, look, I'm hooking you up. I'm hooking you up. That's why you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, you know. I've always got the plug, okay?
I just told you who I thought I was. A god. I just told you. That's who I think I am.
So, this is the Outre melted hairline. This is what is the name of this wig? The name of this wig is Sabrina. You know, actually, I picked another wig out, but they ran out of stock. Let me tell you that customer service was so nice. They reached out to me promptly. You know, I was really patient because, you know, I know that, you know, with newer companies and different things like that, it takes them some time. But they reached out to me and actually let me know, you know, they apologized. It wasn't really a long delay, so this actually came fast. But they actually shipped me out this one instead. I told them to just pick whatever. They got some gorgeous wigs on there and they update their wigs all the time. So with this wig here, very off rip. I love this color. I got this in the color DR4B. I guess it's blonde golden, I guess. I don't be never know. Do y'all be knowing, like, it be like, I don't know, what is it saying? That's all it be like BLG. You gotta know your wig talk, I guess. And I don't know, I just know if the colors is cute. So it's like a chocolate blonde situation, as you can see. This is a good wig to wear, you know, if you want to be a little jazzy, you want to stun on the Karens at work, you know. Offer up the hair texture feels good. So this wig actually has a curved part. Look at this hairline. It has a baby hairs. And it has, oh my gosh, it has an elastic band. How many times have you had to sew a elastic band in your wig? That could be so annoying. Okay, so it has a 1 comb and it has 2 combs in the front. So it's 1 comb in the back, 2 combs in the front. So the lace, I would definitely have to pluck the lace. I'm definitely going to have to cut it and customize this the way I want to. And we're going to see how it looks. Yes, I'm giving you, if Goldilocks worked at Magic City, I'm giving you, yes, I do have money for the collection plate today. Very rich bitch. Very much yes. Add extra sauce.
I want my chips with the dip, that's all I know. I don't want my chips plain, I want my chips with the dip. So bring them dips.
So yes, I do like this wig. I'm definitely feeling this wig. I would definitely, this is not something I would normally rock. It does look more blonder on the camera. Blonder is a word, but I do like this. I feel like this is very much, you know, a more mature look. I would definitely rock this if I'm going out or somewhere like that. It's definitely more browner than it actually looks. So if you guys want to see some real detailed pictures of it, make sure you follow me on my Instagram. I will have some pictures. I will have some behind the scenes of this look. Yes, but I definitely think it's worth it. I can't wait to see what I get next month. I will definitely show you guys if you guys want me to continue showing you what I got from this. Also, make sure you follow them on Instagram too. Make sure you let them know that I sent you here. Get the hookup, girl, because if you don't, I'm gonna be buying the boxes for me, my aunties, and everybody. So you better go ahead and get it for all my people. Set it up, okay? You know how we do. You tell one, everybody grab it. I definitely. Oh, by the way, I definitely did have to add some powder to it. I just added some powder from my Anastasia Beverly Hills kit. I really did not have to pluck it either. I pulled a couple hairs. I tucked in the baby hair because I don't really feel like this wig really needs a baby hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know when you guys get your box. Hit me up on Instagram. If you are into the metaphysical, the spiritual stuff, make sure you follow me on See the Spiritual Goddess. All that information will be left below. Until then, fam, see you in the next video. Peace.
I feel free every day.